Mashallah, people. So my brother's door, it has a problem to where right up here is hitting the top.
Yeah.
And it kind of has a problem with opening and closing.
Mm-hmm.
So this one right here is like it's loose, and all these other ones are all tight. So what we would need to do is screw them in, so it could be tighter, so it could actually close well.
Here, let me get on the other side, and I can lift on the door, and then you show them what needs to be done.
So you're gonna do this one.
Hold on now. Now look, you got a gap there, so unscrew that one again. You got me before I could lift on the door. Okay. All right, now do it. So you got to lift on the door. So yeah, you lift on the door and you push it back into position, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Good.
Now let's try your door.
Now that's better, but this doesn't have a screw in it.
Okay.
So we would need to put a screw in there.
What would happen? What would happen if I went up here and put a longer screw here?
It will go to the sheetrock.
Okay. What if I go here?
It'll hit a 2x4.
It actually hit a 2x4 and then do what?
And then it'll be like tighter.
That door will never drop again, right?
Yes.
All right.
I can't get that.
Yeah, let me do it. You ain't got the leg. You ain't quite got the size yet, son. So. All right. So now that we've used your mama's drill to get that in, because my truck and trailer is not here, so. Anything else you want to say?
Well, you want to try it out?
I don't know if it's going to work now. Let's try it. There it is. Alright, hot shot guys. That's how. You see now where it was rubbing in the upper corner. He straightened that line all the way up. Oops. He has that line straightened all the way up. Cool. So like, that's what he was saying. Oh, that you guys learned from a youngin' on how to do this. I'll kind of push that screw in a little bit more, but other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Future of hot shot construction right there. Y'all be good. Thanks.